Hello and welcome. I am Austin Tang, and I will be talking about smart rooms, the revolutionary design. Artificial intelligence, or AI, was originally defined as a technology or machine that can perform a task that, if conducted by a human, would require intelligence to complete. Subsequent definitions ascribe AI with the capacity to learn, to sense, reason, and take action, as well as to detect, deliberate, and develop on its own to discover which elements or attributes in a bunch of data are the most predictive. In its current state of development, AI is a narrowly applied decision support tool with potential application to a broad range of business operations. Samsung executive Jonas Tannenbaum answered to the question of how can hotels differentiate the in-room experience with guest-facing technology. He said that guests today have higher expectations for a hotel room with technology equal to or better than gadgets they have at home. I believe that we should focus more on the home aspect of things because all of us are comfortable in our own homes, perhaps because some things bring us to ease, such as quick access to Wi Fi or air conditioning control. The Omni experience can translate to endless experience. So, personally, I think we can enhance and give customers a nostalgic feeling of home with the help of access to personal customization. Smart tourism consists of digitization of systems, processes, and services, a higher level of interface between the tourist and the destination, which takes into account the local community and government, among other sectors, a higher level of engagement of local residents in the provision of the products and services, a higher level of data generation and use through integrated smart systems, and above all, a better orientation towards managing tourist experiences. According to the International Journal of Information, Business, and Management, the trend is pretty clear. This concept of smart rooms will bring hotel making to a level that was unthinkable until just 5 years ago. Guests can now continue their favorite Netflix series where they stopped or to play their favorite Spotify playlist as soon as they register at the hotel and enter the room. Sensors on the bed will know when guests are awake or sleeping to optimize room temperature and light. We can accept the fact that artificial intelligence on our devices such as Siri or Alexa can help assist us amidst our day to day tasks. So why not adopt the same principle in hotel rooms? According to the Journal of Service Management, such technologies underpin the potential for consumers to increase their rate of resource integration that makes real-time, moment-to-moment decision-making scalable across social contexts by automating processes. In investigating this, it will be particularly important to correlate the ongoing technological advancement since by their nature, AIs are learning machines with the so-called second-order cybernetics. That is the observation of consumption patterns of AIs from which they learn an inherently co-creative process. Jeff Zabin, research director at Starfleet Research, says closely related to guest experience management is the notion of personalization. The future success of many hotels and resorts, at least those operating in certain categories where service quality ranks as a key point of competitive differentiation, will rest squarely on how well they can gain a deep understanding of their guests on a on an individual basis. Importantly, success also rests on how well they can act upon that understanding to improve the overall quality of the guest experience. Guests are able to feel more special and appreciated with accessibility to customization. Lina Zhang, PhD, is responsible for over 40 projects on regional and tourism planning in China and conducted a study with Rohit Verma, PhD, that examined customers' attitudes toward room robots in 88 different hotels in China. In the study, they examined the applications used by guests staying in robot rooms, including the operating commands made by guests, their satisfaction with the automated functions, and their desires for how robots should assist in hotel rooms. On balance, they have found that robot rooms have received reasonable acceptance and have provided a favorable return on investment for many properties. Additionally, voice assistants from popular companies such as Google and Amazon may stir a few privacy concerns from guests. Regardless, voice assistants can serve both parties, guests and employees. Guests are keen on using new and innovative technologies, leading to an increase of smart travelers who use smart devices like their mobile phones during their trip.